Последний день мы на море. Итого из 11 дней только один день была холодная вода. Все остальное время вода очень теплая и приятная. Замечательно отдохнули. Домой, как всегда, уезжать совсем неохота. Домой хотите уезжать? А я нет. Левушка, ты хочешь домой уезжать?
Нет, тут очень мне понравилось.
Вода тепленькая,
да.
Погода хорошая, и друг замечательный.
Да. Ну еще, зато я с ним могу поиграть даже и дома.
По интернету.
Да, по интернету позвоню, что я буду сейчас играть в Майнкрафт
и начнете играть.
She moving like a gypsy, her body got me tipsy. I should take a step back, fall back. This girl got me feeling risky. She ready for the taking, and I got the motivation. Cause when you see her dance, there's a chance you might not come home from vacation.
And if you look, you'll fall in love. She got that ass, she make it clap. She leave you shook, and now you're hooked. The way she dance,
she gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. Oh yeah. She gon' make you move to Miami. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we gon' party. Freaking every weekend, baby, we just getting started. Y síguete moviendo, que todos te están viendo. Damn, you got me, girl, that body's built like a Bugatti.
and if you look, you'll fall in love. She got that ass, she make it clap. She leave you shook, and now you're hooked. The way she dance,
she gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. She gon' make you move to
what happens in Miami never happens. She said no hands, booty still clapping. She wanna be Eve, baby, here's an apple. Welcome to the booty shaking capital. MIA, where the mummies on the chain, where the mummies get loose, where the mummies don't play, where their bodies like boom and their booties like bang. That's what's high, man.
She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. Yeah. Oh yeah. She gon' make you move to Miami. Oh yeah. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move to Miami.
And if you look, you'll fall in love. She got that ass, she make it clap. She leave you shook, and now you're hooked. The way she dance,
she gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami. She gon' make you move. She gon' make you move to Miami.
Beach party under the sun, yeah. Beach party under the sun, yeah.
What's that sound? It's the waves, angry waves. Day after day, night after night, they beat with savage fury against the black rocks below. For 20 years they've been calling, calling, calling to someone who never answers.
They calling. They calling. What's that sound? Is it from the waves? I see them bound to the red rocks. Calling, calling, calling you through the waves and the rocks. Calling, calling, calling you 20 years. Paradox. Calling, calling, calling you through the waves and the rocks. Calling, calling, calling you 20 years. Paradox. They calling. They calling. Paradox. They calling. They calling. Paradox.
What's that sound? It's the waves, angry waves. Day after day, night after night, they beat with savage fury against the black rocks below. For 20 years they've been calling, calling, calling to someone who never answers.